board. Visualize the chessboard and the coins on it. And in the first row are what you call as the powers: a pair of bishops, a pair of rooks, a pair of knights, a king, and a queen. And in the second row are lined 8 pieces of the pawns. A very happy afternoon to Toastmasters, fellow speech crafters, and welcome guests. Though we call the coins on the first row as the powers, they have a handicap. A rook can only be a rook till the very end of the game. A bishop only a bishop, and a knight only a knight. Whether you want to see them as a rook, a bishop, and a knight, or you want to see them as an amateur chess player would call them as an elephant, horse, and a camel, it does not matter. But they are born to a nature, live within that nature, and ultimately die to that nature. Though at birth most animals are functionally more capable than human beings, but their curse is that they are limited by their nature. So are the so-called superpowers on the chessboard: the bishop, the knight, and the rook. Now what about the other 2 pieces, the king and the queen? Like what Shakespeare said, some are born great, some achieve greatness, and some have greatness thrust upon them. The king represents in Shakespeare's parlance as some are born great. The queen represents some have greatness thrust upon them. The queen, by virtue of being the king's wife, she has greatness thrust upon her. However, even the pieces of the king and queen have the curse of being born to a nature, living within that nature, and ultimately dying to that nature. Now let us focus on the pawns. The pawn, to me, is what Shakespeare referred to as some achieve greatness. The pawn is just 6 moves away from becoming the queen, the most powerful piece on the board. To me, the pawn represents the common man, you and me. Though we are born to a nature, we are bestowed with the ability to transcend our nature. Though when we are born to a middle class family, in our lifetime we can live in such a way that we can cause an industrial revolution. Though we are born to illiterate parents, we can die as a scholar of world repute. Though we are considered as a misfit during our childhood days, we can become a role model for the future generations. So, what we have been and what we are has no bearing on what we can be. It is only we human beings who can proclaim, even when we have failed, so what? We are just an evening away from greatness. We are like the pawns who are born to a nature, but we need not die to the same nature. So, my dear fellow speech crafters, please roar along with me. We are proud to be a pawn.
We are proud to be a pawn.
Today's pawn is tomorrow's queen.
Today's pawn is tomorrow's queen.
We are just a few moves away from greatness.
We are just a few moves away from greatness.
Over to you, Gordon.